Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on Messenger. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on Messenger app, we click on settings. In the first page you can click on Messenger. Then you can go to first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Then you can click on first stop and then you can enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.